Hi guys, what's going on? Here to tell you a little bit about a great snack. I love Quaker Rice Crisps. They come in so many different flavors. I think by now I've almost tried all of them. They're all super interesting and really good. Other ones I've tried in the past have been the sour cream and onion rice cakes, the apple cinnamon ones, the cheddar ones. They're all absolutely delicious, and the plain ones are really good too. So this is Quaker Caramel Rice Crisps. They have natural and artificial flavor. It's new look, same great taste, so I guess that they changed the packaging around a little bit. Quaker has a little symbol on here, established in 1877. These are gluten-free, so good for all you people that may have celiac allergy or gluten allergy. 11 grams of whole grains per serving. You can see nutrition facts, which we'll go to for the sodium content, and they have no high fructose corn syrup in them. And this is what they look like, super yummy and crunchy. It says this is an enlarged image. The net weight is 3.52 ounces or 100 grams. Per serving, 120 calories, 0 grams saturated fat, 0% daily value, 240 milligrams sodium, 10% daily value, and 10 grams of sugars. Okay, let's flip over to the back. This has 11 grams of whole grains per serving, low cholesterol per serving, no high fructose corn syrup, and they are low fat. The little whole grain stamp here, whole grain 11 grams or more per serving, eat 48 grams or more of whole grains daily. wholegrainscouncil.org. Low cholesterol per serving, no high fructose corn syrup, low fat, pops, never fried. See nutrition facts for sodium content, and full of flavor, full of crunch, made with corn and whole grain brown rice, a snack the whole family will love. Here's a little barcode on the back. Do not heat in toaster or microwave. This is the UPC purchase seal. So here, ingredients: whole grain brown rice flour, sugar, degerminated milled corn, corn maltodextrin, sweetened condensed milk, sugar and burnt sugar, salt, natural and artificial flavor, sunflower oil, soy lectin, caramel color, sucralose, sulfame, potassium, Tocopherols, preservative. Contains milk and soy ingredients. Distributed by the Quaker Oats Company, P.O. Box 049003 in Chicago, Illinois. Copyright 2017, the Quaker Oats Company, made in the USA. Any questions or comments, you could call the number right there, 1-800-856-5781. Please have package available when calling, and visit us at QuakerOats.com. Best before March 20th, 2019. Okay, let's go to the nutrition facts now. Very important. About 3.5 servings per container. Serving size is 13 pieces, 30 grams. Amount per serving, 120 calories. Total fat, 1 grams, 1%. Daily value, saturated fat, 0% daily value, 0 grams. Trans fat, 0 grams. Polyunsaturated fat, 0 grams. Monounsaturated fat, 0 grams. Cholesterol, 0 milligrams. Sodium, 240 milligrams. Total carbohydrate, 26 grams, 9% daily value. Dietary fiber, 0 grams, 2% daily value. 10 grams of total sugars. Includes 9 grams of added sugars, 19% daily value, and 1 gram of protein. 0% vitamin D. Calcium, 10 milligrams. Iron, 0.3 milligrams. Potassium, 50 milligrams. So I'm going to use out to show you guys. So it's a low fat content, and they're good, and I think that these are something perfect to just have in your kids' lunchbox for a snack. I think these make a great snack rather than something fried like potato chips or whatever. This is what they look like. They're super yummy. They have a nice crunch to them. You know what they remind me of, kind of? They kind of taste like Cracker Jacks, but like a less bad version of Cracker Jacks. They're really, really super yummy. And you could hear the crunch. And they're like satisfying. So I think these are great to put in your like office desk runs and snack on. To put in your kid's lunchbox. To leave in your car. I always like snack in my car. And they're super yummy. So this is Quaker Caramel Natural and Artificial Flavor Rice Crisps. I hope you guys try them out. And I hope you love them. a nice, sweet, crunchy snack. And they're gluten-free and all that good stuff. And only, oh, and they have natural and artificial flavor. I guess that would be really the only bad part about that. But overall, low fat and everything. So I hope you guys try these out. I hope you love them. And I thank you for watching the video. See you later, guys.